welcome back to my channel. So today I have this look for you guys. I hope you guys can see the colors and stuff like that, because sometimes this camera don't be picking it up, and I know I need a new camera and better lighting and stuff like that, but girl, I got a baby to feed, so I hope you guys are happy with what I have going on right now. And I know I haven't been posting any makeup tutorials lately, and well, here it is. I really do hope you guys like this. Oh, and I know the last time I wore my hair like this in my favorites video, you guys loved it, and I do too, girl, but I'm not a hair person, so I always get lucky whenever I can get my hair to look nice like this. So I'm hoping I can get a tutorial up for you guys. Honestly, it only took me like 2 minutes to get this hair up. I didn't do nothing crazy with the bun. You know, you get lucky with the bun sometimes, and then other times your bun looks wonky, you know what I mean? And then the front pieces, I just curl it real quick, and I just brought out a little, you know, little hairs on the sides, and then put on some hoops and cute top, and you good to go. But anyways, yeah, I'm not gonna ramble on too much. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Amanda. Don't forget to subscribe, click that like button, and also the notification button right next to that subscribe button, so that way you'll get notified every time I post. And I promise that I'll try to post more makeup tutorials soon. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I love you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already have my face almost done. I just have to apply some highlight, and that's basically it. My face routine is still the same, so that's why I don't want to repeat it and just waste your guys' time. And I just want to get this video done quickly because I do have to film another video after this. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll be going in with Makeup Geek Morocco. I'm just going to be taking my usual blending brush to apply that. So I'm going to take that all over the crease. And I'm going to be taking that from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner. So now that we have the orange down, all right, next I am going to be taking my Just Peach Too Faced palette right here, and I will be taking this brown right here, which is called Peach Tart. I'm gonna focus that on the outer corner. Then I'm gonna go back to my first blending brush and just kind of blend everything together. I'm gonna take my concealer and do a half cut crease. I'll be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Vanilla, and this is what I always use to highlight my under eyes. As soon as I lay that down right there, I'm gonna go back to my Too Faced palette, and I'm gonna be taking Peach Butter right here, and it's just like a nice bone color, which I'm gonna use to set my concealer so it doesn't move, it doesn't crease. I know the outer corner looks a little bit like crazy right now, but we will blend everything in. I'm gonna go back to Peach Tart and that brown, and we're just gonna kind of blending it into the lid color to the cut crease, so that way it doesn't look all crazy. Now we are going to add some glitter. So my favorite glitter is this Deck of Scarlet glitter liner thing that I got from my Deck of Scarlet palette. So I'm just gonna take this, taking the glitter along that line, that cut crease line that I made. For lashes, I'm gonna be using the Baddie Bee lashes in the style Instaho. Alright guys, so we are close to being done, don't worry. You know, I like to keep my lower lash line pretty simple. I'm just gonna be taking a Peach Tart, which is that dark brown, and I'm just gonna run it right under there. Then I'm going to take a hint of the orange, just a little bit, because we don't want the bottom to be too intensely orange. And I'm just gonna mix it into that brown. Alright, so for this part, which is the inner corner, you can keep it simple and just pop in like a stark white color or whatever highlight color that you guys like. But today I'm gonna make it fun, and I'm gonna be using this yellow color again for my inner corner, which I've used in my previous tutorial. And this is the Deca Scarlet palette. It's not sponsored. I've had this palette for a while and I actually enjoy that yellow right there, so don't get it twisted, y'all. And I am gonna be spraying it a little bit just to make it more intense. I feel like this yellow just makes the look. Yes, yes, bitch. Can you see? Because honestly, yeah. I feel like the lighting is like not popping. Now it is time to highlight our face. Where's my highlight? ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está? Oh, there we go. Alright, so I've been loving the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlight. I have a new old found love. So I fell in love with this again, and this is all I've been using. I mean, girl, it's so intense. I love it. I don't know why I even stopped using it, but you know what? Sometimes you just get caught up and keeping up with all the new products that's coming out. And then you forget about your old stuff and it's like, why did I ever stop using you? But yeah. So just right there, and I already highlighted my nose as well. And then I like to go back in with my bronzer brush just to blend everything out and just to make sure that everything looks flawless and it's not streaky and stuff like that. Sorry guys, the camera died, so I went ahead and applied my lip liner, which is the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Auto Liner in Keep It Spicy. And I also put on my favorite liquid lipstick. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Nudist 354. Now, I'm gonna top it off with the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the color Unreal. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it because I do want a glossy look. And this color is legit unreal. So pretty. And if I do want a little bit more glossy, which I do, I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow, what is it called? Lip gloss? Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed my first makeup tutorial of 2019. If you guys do recreate this look, please definitely let me know and tag me in your pictures. I would love to repost you on my Insta story. And if you're not following me on Instagram yet, girl, where have you been? So I'll leave all my info down here on my socials. And if you're not following my family vlog slash mukbang channel, be sure to do that because, girl, we post on there about once to twice a week, and I feel like we post more like fun videos over there, and you can see more of like my personality there. So if you are interested, I will leave it right here and also down in the description box below. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have an amazing 2019. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.